Today I'm sharing my cinnamon sugar cookies recipe. These cookies are soft, buttery, and rolled in a sweet cinnamon sugar coating. They're easy to make and perfect whenever you're craving a simple homemade treat. So, if you like classic cookie recipes, keep watching and let's get right into it. Start by mixing 1.5 cups of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs and 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, stir together 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add to the wet ingredients and mix until well combined. In a small bowl, mix together 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon until well combined. Roll the dough into balls, then roll them in the cinnamon sugar until evenly coated. Place on a lined baking sheet and flatten each cookie with the bottom of a glass. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes or until the sides are lightly browned. After a few minutes of cooling, your cinnamon sugar cookies are ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, why not give this video a like, and if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.